Hi, my name is Muzaffar Saeed, and in this video I am going to demonstrate a sample accounts payable aging report in Excel. This report is to review outstanding vendor balances, identify overdue invoices, and support payment planning, follow-up, and accounts payable visibility. So the purpose of the AP aging report is to help the businesses understand what is currently payable, what is overdue, and which vendor balances may need attention. So this is the aging report that we are going to work on today. This aging report or file has three sections, which is one of those is the AP transactions. This includes the vendor name, invoice number, invoice date, invoice amount, paid amount, outstanding balance, outstanding amount, days overdue, and aging bucket. So the second section is AP aging summary report, which groups outstanding balances by aging category. You can see here 1 to 30 days balance is this, 31 to 60 days balance is this, and 90 days plus balance is this. The grand total is also mentioned here. This is the amount that we need to pay to our creditors or suppliers or vendors. It also shows the top 10 vendors by outstanding amount. This is actually the larger accounts we have that have larger amounts that we need to pay. And then there is also a section of a sheet showing open invoices, which helps us identify the specific unpaid items behind the balances. So starting with the transaction sheet, each row represents a vendor invoice. For each invoice, the report shows the vendor name, the due date, the total invoice amount, outstanding balance. This is the outstanding amount. Yeah, it also have the amount paid, which is a part payment paid. Thing we can do with this report for now is that we can sort this by the outstanding amount, because it also is showing the paid accounts which we currently may not be needing. So what I will do, I will select it and go to the sort button, and I will actually sort it by outstanding amount. Smaller to large, or largest to smaller will be fine. So now we have the sheet sorted by the large amounts first and the lower amounts in the lower part of the sheet. This structure will help us organize payable data clearly and makes it easier to track the invoices. The most important fields for AP reviews are the due date, outstanding balance, your outstanding amount, days overdue, and the aging category. Which thing we can do with this report for now is that we can sort this by the outstanding amount, because it also is showing the paid accounts which we currently may not be needing. So what I will do, I will go to explaining the aging concept. We can see this report is grouped by unpaid balances into aging buckets. We can see one bucket is 90 days plus, one bucket is paid. We can also see some invoices that are 61 to 90 days overdue, and some are also more than 90 days. So one way is to focus on specific age bucket. We can just sort them. Currently it is sorted by due date. What we can do is we can try sorting them by aging bucket. Now in this case we will be having the open or partially paid status first, because we have 1 to 30 days, 1 to 30 days aging bucket first, and then we can see that we will be having 61 to 90 days, 90 plus days, and the current and the paid ones. So this is important because not all unpaid invoices carry the same urgency. For example, current invoices may still be within terms. 1 to 30 days overdue may require normal follow-up, like these ones, the top ones. We can see balances need faster review, maybe 31 to 60 days or 61 to 90 days ones. We can go on to escalate these invoices, or we can do some vendor communication. So explaining the aging concept, we can see this report is grouped by unpaid balances into aging buckets. We can see one bucket is 90 days plus, one bucket is paid. We can also see some invoices that are 61 to 90. We sending them emails about asking what's happening. And so this is the way the aging view helps accounts payable teams so that they can prioritize their work more effectively. Now coming to the AP aging report, which can also be called a summary. Looking at this aging summary, we can see that this section gives a higher level of total outstanding balances by aging bucket. You can see that. This allows accounts payable or finance staff to quickly answer questions like how much is currently outstanding, That's the total, $839,228. And then how much is overdue, where the biggest exposure is. So we can see top 10 outstanding amounts here, which should be needing immediate focus if they are overdue somehow, or if we need to just say hello to the suppliers or vendors with asking when they intend to pay, what's their plan to pay. And we can also, from this sheet, we can also know whether overdue balances are increasing or not. So this type of summary is useful for payment planning, cash flow management, cash flow awareness, and month-end review as well. Instead of reviewing invoices one by one first, like in the transaction report, we can just see in a glance that the summary, that which gives us quick visibility into the full payable position.